What is up everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your bHaptics TactSuit for the MetaQuest. This tutorial works for MetaQuest 3 users as well as MetaQuest 2 users. Before we get started, I want to give a thank you to the people over at bHaptics as well as the MetaQuest Creator Program for providing me with this suit in order to make the tutorial. With all of that lollygagging out of the way, let's set up our Haptics suit. The first thing you'll want to do is charge up your Haptics suit with a USB-C cable. Make sure you also stow the additional accessories in a place that's easily accessible, as these accessories may need to be used if you're trying to play certain games on your MetaQuest with the Haptics suit. Once your Haptics suit is charged up and ready to go, you're going to want to flip it over and click the power button on the back. The Haptics suit will give you a little buzz, signaling that it has been turned on, and the lights should make this pattern that you see on screen now. If that doesn't happen, likely means that your Haptics suit is dead, so give it a little bit more time on the charger. bHaptics actually did a great job with the LED signaling on the back of the headset. On screen now, as well as in your user manual, is a decryption of what all of the LED colors, as well as the different patterns and blinking. Get to know this will be really helpful when troubleshooting your device. For example, when you first power on your device, all 3 lights should be lit up blue and slowly blinking. This means that your device is in pair mode and ready to be connected to your MetaQuest. Once in pair mode, go ahead and put on your Quest and navigate to the App Store. Search up the bHaptics player and begin the install. Once you've installed the bHaptics player, go ahead and open it up. Once the app is open, go ahead and click the Oculus Home button to open up your menu. Click down in the lower left over by the time to open up your quick settings. From there, select Bluetooth and then begin your scan for new Bluetooth devices. The bHaptics vest should appear whether you have the X40 or the X16. Click the pair button to the right of the device. After a bit of time, you should feel the Haptics suit buzz as it connects to your headset. Click your Oculus Home button again to close the menu and re-enter the Haptics player. From there, you should see that your device has been paired and is now connected to your headset. Go ahead, click on it, make sure all the settings are what you want them to be, and then you're ready to hop into an experience. To do that, click on the Experiences tab from the menu. Look over to your left where you can then filter the experiences and select for the MetaQuest. This will limit all the experiences to just be the ones available for the MetaQuest headset. Once you've filtered the list, go ahead and pick your experience of choice. Click on the big yellow Go to Quest button, and that'll ask you to quit the app and open up the experience. Go ahead and click Quit, and then you will enter into the experience with your Haptics suit still connected. Trying to open an experience through the Oculus menu will actually disconnect your Haptics suit because you are closing out of the bHaptics player. You will know that this is the case because the lights on the back of your Haptics suit will go back into pairing mode. But it's as simple as that. That's all you need to do in order to play a lot of the experiences on the MetaQuest using your Haptics suit. However, this does not account for all the experiences. Luckily, that's where bHaptics has an edge on a bunch of other haptic competitors, and that's through the use of their audio-based haptic system, where if you actually plug in through an audio jack, you can use haptic experiences without having native haptic support. To do this, no pairing process is necessary. Simply take the audio jack splitter and plug it into the audio jack found on your bHaptics suit. In one end of the splitter, plug in the headphones that you intend to use with your headset, and in the other end, take the provided aux cable, plug it into the splitter, and then plug it into your MetaQuest. This will redirect the sound from your MetaQuest into the splitter, which it'll then send off to your headphones and also send to the suit. The suit then uses its internal software to figure out what's happening in your game and do its best to replicate the haptic feedback. You will know you have set everything up properly when the LEDs on the back have 2 blue lights and 1 purple light. For most cases, I'd advise against using the audio-based solution as it's not as high quality as if developers had put it into their game natively. However, for those experiences that don't have native support, this is the go-to option in order to get haptic support for that game with your MetaQuest. If this video helped you out, a like would be greatly appreciated, and if you want to see more tutorials about how to get the most out of your MetaQuest, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with everything new coming out. Enjoy using your Haptics suit, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye.